Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and I will be featuring another quick and easy card, and this time it's a masculine card. And I'm going to be using the suede, well actually the sign series paper is called True Gentleman, and I love the colors in this one, plus I think it's very masculine as you can see. It will be perfect for Father's Day or just for a birthday card for those men in your life, so I felt it was really good. I'm also going to be using the stamp set Truly Tailored, and I particularly love this little guy, and there's a coordinating punch with this set. Now as usual, you can get those two, the punch and this one, as a bundle, and you get 10% discount on that. So anyway, but this time I'm going to be using this guy. Wishing you a dapper day. I think it's really cute. So here is the stamp set. The color that I'm going to be using is the Night of Navy, as well as the chocolate chip marker. So let's just go ahead and I'll start giving you directions. And so I have my card base. This stamp is very vanilla, and this one is 5.5 by 8.5, which as usual I'm just gonna fold it in half and fold it with my bone folder. I have here Night of Navy, and this one is 4 by 5 1/4, and then the design series paper, and this one is 3 3/4 by 5. So let's just glue those together because I know I'm not going to be doing anything else on those. Just go ahead. Alright, and let's just go ahead and put it. And let's do the same with these. Okay. And so, I'm going to be... Okay. Now I have a piece of berry vanilla, and this one is 2 by 2.5. And I have a piece of chocolate chip, and this one is 4 by 1 inch. And like always, I'm going to be cutting this one. If I can find my scissors. Just give me 1 second here. Well, what did I do? Like I said, I'm always doing this during... Oh, here it is. During the filming. I always get everything lost in my table. So anyways, I'm just going to be cutting... And you can use the triple banner punch. I always forget to do so. And I think for me it's just easier to grab my scissors and cut it. There we go. Okay, so this one will go like so. And yes, I think I like that a lot. So I'm gonna put this. I'm also gonna be using this ribbon, and this one is corduroy ribbon, and this is in Night of Navy. So I just need to have a piece, I want to say it like so. Okay, so I'm gonna have that one, that way I can embellish a little bit my card. And then for this one, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna go ahead and stamp, and in this case I'm just gonna be careful to not touch that mustache, because I want to color that one with the marker. So I just need to be careful, and I don't know if you can see it, but I'm trying to be careful and not, I don't think you can really see it, but anyway. So I'm just moving the pad to where I ensure I put the ink everywhere, like so. And then I'm going to be using the marker to do the little mustache here. And then I'm going to just breathe. And am going to be stamping as usual, just holding firmly but not rocking it. And there we go. Is that not gorgeous? Let me just close this. I don't like leaving markers that way. So here's what you get. I think it looks stunning. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and assemble this whole thing. So I'm gonna put it like so. And I know there are some buttons as well available. For whatever reason, I forgot to order them. I sure will be ordering soon. But they're really very nice wood ribbons that coordinate really well with this suite. I just forgot to order them. I haven't ordered them yet, so I will be ordering them because I felt like it needs something else, you know. So I'm going to be putting on this one my dimensionals, because you know me. We have to have some sort of dimension, don't you think? And masculine cards are the ones that I don't always put rhinestones or wink of a stella. So I know some of you will be surprised with this, but I won't put any of that on this card. So here it is. I feel like this one looks really good. And so anyway, if you like my video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, I am having an ordering incentive where all my online orders using the hostess code of the month will receive a card kit to make 4 cards in the mail. And if your order is $50 or more, then you also get the accessory of the month. You do have to use the hostess code, and I have that one on my blog at creatingwithali.com. I don't put it here because it might not be the same month that you're watching this video. So always go into creatingwithali.com. You'll get in every single post I'm putting now the hostess code, so go ahead, you can see it there. That way you ensure you have the right one. And so anyway, so if you have any questions, let me know. And I truly appreciate your business, and I really hope you have liked this card. So thank you so much, and see you soon.